I'll show you guys. Alright guys, what's going on? I know this is such a different view and you guys can't see my face, but finally I've borrowed a GoPro and finally I'm gonna do kind of a POV drive. I know you guys are dying to see, you know, my, I guess, angle and how I drive and just the sound and overall. I thought, you know what, this is gonna be a hit. This is gonna be a good video. So I'm gonna take you guys through kind of just, you know, just driving, back road driving, a little bit here and there, a little bit of city driving, let you guys be in the driver's seat and kind of, you know, do all kind of stuff. So let's fire this up. Let me go back outside and give you guys a little exhaust. People probably think I'm crazy looking like this. But man, it's fun. If you guys like the this type of video, then, you know, like the video and comment down below so I know you know, if I should invest in a GoPro and do these videos more often. I always, you know, a GoPro is not expensive compared to, you know, normal DSLR cameras, but I just never thought I need one. You know, like obviously it's different if you're always filming action videos or always doing car reviews, you stick it on the outside. But for me, you know, more of a vlog about my car type of video, I generally just stick to my DSLR just because it has a better quality to begin with. But I don't know, if you guys like this kind of video, then let me know. I will definitely invest in one. I think it's pretty fun to do a POV sometimes. But yeah. Car is still cold, so I'm not gonna push it that much. And also I just got a new intake, the CTS intake. Nothing fancy, I just want to hear a little bit more of the turbo sound. You know, when I do make big power, maybe next year hopefully, I will probably invest in like an inventory intake. It's just not on my radar right now. I kind of just want to hear the turbo a little bit. That's my thought process. So you guys will hear it later when I really gun it. It's pretty loud. It sounds pretty good. So want to cost the cops on me. So good. It just felt so good. Once you pull it and you're kind of just going at it and you just keep pulling gears, and that feels good. Woo. If you guys own an RS3 and you don't know this, if you put, I guess manual will work too, you put the car in dynamic mode in sport, and then if you hold the left paddle, right, hold it, don't click it, hold it, and you push the throttle all the way down, it will kind of brake boost for you, and kind of have the, what you call, quote unquote, anti-lag. I'll show you guys. Kind of like that. Obviously, you do create a lot of boost, a lot of heat, a lot of stress on the motor, so definitely don't do this often. But if you do need to have some fun, or you are road racing someone, then this might be a good tip to keep in mind. I keep looking behind me because I don't know where the cops are gonna get me, but hey, we're just having fun. Plus we're in Mexico, right? So I need some gas. Holy shit. I want to give you guys a little window down sound action. maybe I will do. Looks pretty clear to me. That sounds good. This motor sounds so good. I think that's it for this video. We are going back into town, into the city, so won't be able to rip it. And so yeah, let me know if you guys like this kind of format. It's my first time, well, it's not really my first time, it's really my first time using a GoPro, kind of get serious with this setup. I know, you know, there are YouTube reviewers, car reviewers, or YouTube channels only do POV style, so, and a lot of people seem to like it and watch them. So, you know, I thought I'd give it a try. Let me know if you guys like the format, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, follow me on all of my social media. And maybe, you know, if you guys like it, I will invest in a GoPro. You never know. So, love you guys. Until next time, peace out.